Waxer reporting as ordered, sir. We've got a down gunship 5 clicks east. We believe it's General Kenobi's. I need you to get out there and check for survivors. Sir, yes, sir. Why do we always get the fun missions? Oh, this isn't the fun part. Getting back to the square is the fun part.
Waxer, Boyle, am I glad to see you. Trapper and I are the only ones still alive.
Good to see you, sir. Commander Cody's established the square just beyond this position. The bugs are on the move and trying to surround us as we speak, sir. They've got the general. HT 636. Lay down cover fire at point 35. Take it down! Are you injured, General?
No, nothing too serious. What's the situation here?
We've got no air cover. 2 generals on the ground beyond our position, and a mess of bugs surrounding us. The enemy was more than prepared for our attacks, sir. They knew our every move.
Well, I'm sure General Skywalker and General Mundi will make it to our position.